morning, children. In our last class, we were discussing on the methods of preparation of haloalkanes. We had covered two methods, preparation from alkanes and from alkenes. Let us now learn the other methods. The third method of preparation is from alcohols. The OH bond of the alcohols can be replaced by halogen by using various methods. It can be replaced by treating alcohols with halogen acids or with phosphorus halides or with thionyl chloride. Let's discuss the first one, that is by using halogen acid. You know what is halogen acid? HCl, HBr, HA, etc. are examples of halogen acids. On treating an alcohol with this halogen acid, in presence of a reagent named anhydrous ZnCl2, water molecule will eliminate from there and form corresponding alkyl halide or haloalkane. Here, this anhydrous ZnCl2 facilitate the cleavage of ROH bond. For an example, ethanol on heating with a solution of HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, you will get chloroethane by eliminating water molecule. You can also use HCl gas here, that means hydrogen chloride gas. But bromoalkanes are generally prepared by heating a mixture of NaBr or KBr and sulfuric acid with alcohol. It produces HBr, which reacts with this alcohol and produces corresponding bromoalkane. For example, ethanol, on treating with NaBr and H2SO4, you will get bromoethane. Sodium bisulfate, that is NaHSO4 and H2O are the byproducts. There might be a question now crossing your mind that can we use NaCl instead of this NaBr to prepare chloroalkane? The answer is no, because Cl- is a weak nucleophile. So that's all about reaction between this alcohol and halogen acid. Second one, by using phosphorus halide, PCl3 and PCl5. PCl3 is phosphorus trichloride and PCl5 is phosphorus pentachloride. Alcohols on treating with these phosphorus halides like PCl3 or PCl5, then the OH group of the alcohols will be replaced by chlorine atom and form corresponding chloroalkane. This is the reaction between ethanol and PCl5. On adding this PCl5 to ethanol, this OH group will be replaced by one chlorine atom of PCl5 and form CH3, CH2Cl. Here the byproducts are POCl3 and HCl. POCl3 is phosphorus oxychloride. Next is the reaction between PCl3 and alcohol. In the reaction between PCl3 and alcohol, you have to take 3 molecules of ethanol. Then only that reaction will take place. On adding PCl3 to alcohol, here the alcohol is ethanol, these 3 OH groups will be replaced by chlorine atom of PCl3 and form 3 molecules of CH3, CH2Cl. And the byproduct is H3PO3, that is phosphorus acid. So, in this reaction, you have to keep this in mind. Always take 3 molecules of that alcohol. Then only you will get the correct byproduct phosphorus acid. So that's all about this reaction by using phosphorus halide. Third method, that is by using thionyl chloride. Thio means sulfur, thionyl chloride is SOCl2. Alcohols, on treating with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, the OH group of the alcohol will be replaced by chlorine to form chloroalkene. The byproducts are SO2 and HCl, both are gases. This reaction is called Darson's process. So Darson's process is the preparation of chloroalkane from alcohol by using SOCl2. This is the best method for the preparation of haloalkane because here the byproducts are gases. So they can easily escape out and you will get pure chloroalkane. So that's about preparation of haloalkane from alcohols. Let us move to the last preparation method of haloalkane, that is halogen exchange method. Halogen exchange method is used for the preparation of iodoalkane and fluoroalkane from chloro or bromoalkane. For example, CH3Cl on treating with NaI in presence of acetone, this NaCl will be removed and you will get CH3I, that is iodomidine. This reaction is called Fink-Custine reaction. That is, Fink-Custine reaction is the preparation of iodoalkane from chloro or bromoalkane in presence of acetone. Next example, CH3Br on treating with metallic fluoride like AgF, or you can use the fluorides of mercury, cobalt or antimony. Then this AgBr will be removed and you will get CH3F. CH3F is fluoromethane. This reaction is called Schwarz reaction. So Schwarz reaction means it is the preparation of fluoroalkane from chloro or bromoalkane. We have learned three name reactions today: Darson's process, Fink-Custine reaction and Schwarz reaction. We have completed this topic. Revise what we have learned today and refer your textbook also.